감추지 못하게 해. 남자들의 분위 여자들의 가식 유머를 자신감이 불만해. 난 보란듯이 너무나도 뻔뻔히 네 몸속에 파고드는 알레르기. 이상한 정신에 술렁이는 천지 오늘 여기 무법지.
난 불을 질러 심장을 태워 널 미치게 하고 싶어. B.I.G. Yeah we bring like this 모두 다 같이. So wow, fantastic baby.
Okay, so basically I thought the installation was very relatable because like we are all in arts, design and media, and how like media is able to manipulate, and how like maybe as a content creator next time I want to be more responsible with what I share and how I share things. Like we don't want to normalize like violence and weapons and all these type of things. So yeah, I think it's about responsibility.
I personally feel that it has a very strong message because, you know, it is just like normal events, basically what we are used to in media, right, portrayed in the media, juxtaposed to what is happening in reality. And I feel as though that gives a very strong message because what it is portrayed in media is that it's very normal. Like for example, like the trivializing of like rape in general, like especially for women. Yeah, that the whole aspect of sexualizing women and stuff like that, and like with along with like song lyrics that accompany the idea of like that women, when they say no they actually mean yes and all that stuff, right, as compared to what is happening in the real world. It sends a very strong message.
Because I love the way you lie, I love the way